Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will cook stir-fried eggplants with beans. This is a typical Chinese home-cooked dish. Hope you will like it. First, prepare some long beans and cut them into short pieces. Add some oil to the pan and fry the beans. Wait until you see bubbles appear on the beans, then turn off the fire and put them onto a plate. Now prepare an eggplant and cut it into strips. Then add some salt and leave it there for 10 minutes. Use hands to squeeze out the juice. Add the eggplant into the pan. The eggplant will become soft very soon. Now we need to cut some chili. Make some space for the chili and ginger and put them in. Put the beans in and meanwhile prepare the sauce. We need some water, 1 spoon of soy sauce, half spoon of vinegar, some dark soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, half spoon of sugar, and some starch. Mix everything and the sauce is ready. Pour the sauce into the pan. In the end, we need to mice some garlic. Add the garlic into the pan and stir fry everything for a short while. Turn off the fire and this dish is ready. If you like this dish, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. Thanks a lot. I will see you guys in the next video.